Are you having an ice cream eating competition? Whoa! Looks like you got brain freeze! Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Walter, you've got it bad! Hey, Carl! Looks like there's a problem. You better go check it out. Whoa! Looks like Billy got hypnotized by the rhythm of Dane's ball. Oh no! Billy's been hypnotized to destroy everything in sight! You'd better stop him before he does something dangerous! Dane, what happened? You told him to wreck it all. Oh, you were talking about your construction project? Billy must have thought you meant everything in the city because he was hypnotized. Right, let's clean up the city and stop Billy. Billy sure did a lot of damage. Massimo, are you okay? You fell on a banana skin. Don't worry, Supertruck will stop Billy. Whoa, Jerry, look out! Oh no! Looks like someone's trapped! Walter, are you okay? Oh, your hat protected you. Must be pretty hard. What? Billy is heading for the power crystal? Supertruck, he's heading for the power crystal. If he hits it, the city is done for. Right, Walter. Supertruck needs to slow Billy down. Slow down. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Of course. You can use the freeze ray. Billy, this is for your own good. Yes! Wow! The brain freeze cured his hypnosis. Billy, you were hypnotized. Supertruck cured you with brain freeze. Supertruck, it's happening again! You'd better do something! Oh, it's a hypnosis show! Billy is hypnotized to think Walter is an ice cream? Look out, Walter! Are you all right, Carl? Looks like somebody needs Supertruck. Hurry up! was a massive storm last night in the city. A lot of trees have collapsed and blocked roads. Meanwhile, Billy and Edna are mixing cement, but they need water. Frank was going to deliver it, but now he can't because of a traffic jam. You need to quickly get that water to the construction site, Supertruck. Hey guys, Supertruck is here! I see the traffic is so bad that there is no way you can deliver water to the construction site on time. What are we going to do, Supertruck? What is it, Bobby? A water container? Great! You can give it to Supertruck and he'll deliver it to the site. But he'll still have to tackle the traffic. That's right, Supertruck. This is the time for a new transformation. A super train! Okay, Supertruck, you're now ready to go. Thanks, Bobby! See you later, Frank! That's not going to work, Supertruck. These trees are too heavy. You're right. We need something to cut through these trees. A laser? Of course! This will cut those trees in no time. Whoa! This laser is so powerful! Like in Star Wars movies. Look out, Supertruck! This large tree is probably going to fall! That was close! You nearly got crushed by this tree! Okay, let's deliver the water to the construction site. Construction team, Supertruck is here with help. Quick, we need to add water! Yes! We did it! Wow, so that's what the cement mix was for? A giant bowling pin? Yes, Supertruck. I'm also wondering what the construction team is going to do with it. Whoa! That was the biggest bowling pin and the biggest bowling ball I've ever seen. See you next time, friends. Good morning, Massimo. Hi, Carl. Oh, you're picking out new tire rims for your mom? Of course! It's Mother's Day! Uh-oh. It seems like you've got a special delivery, Carl. You better get home right away. The babies asked Carrie to help them make cupcakes for Mother's Day, but her cupcake machine is going crazy. It's throwing huge dough balls all over the place. It looks dangerous. Can you help, Carl? Great, let's go. Watch out, Supertruck! Hold on, Carrie! Supertruck is here to help! Wow! You're like a super carry, protecting the babies so they don't get hit. Oh boy! Supertruck, how are you going to stop this? We trust you, Supertruck. What will you transform into? Wow, Supertruck, you're a steamroller! Supertruck?
Hey! Huh?
Uh-oh! The machine is overheating! Do something, Supertruck, before it blows up! If you've got any idea on how to stop this madness, now's the time to take action! Hurry, Supertruck! Wow, it froze! Amazing! Phew, that was close. Hurry, Supertruck! You did it, Supertruck! You've created frozen dough and saved the day! Carrie and the babies would like you to join them for their Mother's Day tea, Supertruck. Thank you for everything you did today, Supertruck. We wouldn't be having this Mother's Day celebration without you. You really saved the day. Carrie has something special for you. Don't worry, Supertruck. Carrie didn't use any of the dough that was rolling in the street. She had some frozen dough in her freezer and wanted to make you one giant cupcake to share with your mom. Happy Mother's Day to moms everywhere.
Hey, Lily. Taking the babies to the park? You're going to do a balloon drop for Valentine's Day. You're going to release 100 balloons. Awesome! I think the babies want you to zigzag again, Lily. Lily, look out! Oh no! Get Supertruck to help? That's a great idea! Carl, we need your help! Lily and the babies are hanging over the bridge at the park! They might fall! Lily, Supertruck is here to save you. Right, the babies are inside. You're going to transform? Great idea! Nice! You can save the babies now! Great idea, Carl! Okay, babies, you're going to have to jump onto Supertruck, okay? Are you ready? Only 2 more to go! Last one! Oh no! Supertruck, you'd better do something!
Manimo!
Oh no! Those balloons were keeping Lily stable! You'd better do something now!
Manime, Renato!
A mattress! That should give you a soft landing!
Alors? No, no.
Right! It's not in the right place! Babies, can you help? Good job, babies! Carl's going to give you a little push, okay? Wow! Nice landing! Well, babies, you seem to have fun. You too, Supertruck. Take it easy, guys. And thanks again, Supertruck. Hey, kids. Thanks for watching. If you like Supertruck, click here to subscribe. For more adventures, click here. See you on the road.